Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So the lock I've got here is a kind of a special Mul-T-Lock Classic. It's a Salesman sample. So this is the key that came with it. I don't know much about it besides the fact that it was probably part of a sample pack sent out with Mul-T-Lock Salesman quite a while ago. It's even stamped sample 041 on the back. Unfortunately, I don't think I can gut this. This tailpiece or cap seems to be pressed in place, and the top cap here is impression pretty good there and stamped into place. So I don't think I can gut this thing, but I can at least try to pick it open for you. This being a Mul-T-Lock Classic doesn't have anything super special, but I think this could have spooled inner drivers with the countermilled outer key pins, because it is quite a punk to to get open. Definitely not an easy pick by any means, but hopefully I can get it done here in a reasonable amount of time. Cool. I think we are pretty much there. Let's see what's left. There we go. Alright. Got an open there. Yeah, and I guess there's not much else I can do here. I can't really gut this thing. I wish I could, but I've tried to get this off and I can't do it. I don't want to damage it being a cool collector's item there, but here we are. Mul-T-Lock Salesman Sample Classic. Picked open. Alright, thanks a lot all. Take care. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye.